The body shot, much like the jab, it is one of the most underdeveloped, underutilized, yet most effective weapons in combat sports. And I would even argue in some cases it's easier to end a fight with a well-placed body shot because they're usually premeditated, they're set up in advance, and they come below your line of vision, so people almost never see them coming. And what do they say? The punches you never see coming are always the ones that hurt the most. And I can tell you from personal experience, I'll take a headshot over a body shot any day. They can stay with you for weeks, even months. They're very demoralizing, and you can end a fight in the blink of an eye. Plus, it's the hallmark of a complete fighter, and there's no way you're gonna be able to operate on the upper echelon without being an effective body puncher. So here I'm gonna go over some basic drills with a basic combination that you can work on today. And once you master this in training, you can start utilizing it in sparring and then eventually in competition. So here we're gonna go over how to set up a cross to the solar plexus. You're gonna set it up with a jab first. And the whole key is not to commit to the jab. You're gonna just throw the jab quickly to either make them blink or at least react by catching or slipping, in which case now their upper body is engaged. Their lower body is gonna be stuck for at least a quarter second. That gives you just enough time to, now here's the second key, you don't throw the punches separately, you overlap them, boom, boom, okay? And you drop down as soon as you make contact with the glove, or if you land the jab properly, drop down, drive that cross right through to the solar plexus. And it's gonna look like this on the heavy bag. You step with the jab, throw it at eye level, blocking with the shoulder, middle knuckle to the middle of the bag. You drop both knees down. Notice the trajectory of the punch is straight. It's not like leaning forward. You're gonna drop your knees. Boom, boom. One more key, keep your eyes on their eyes or their upper body when you throw it. Don't look down because they're gonna see it coming. So you throw it up, boom, drop down, boom, boom. And that's how you land across to the body. Obviously, there's a lot more variables. If you don't knock them out with the body shot, you can always come back up top with a hook to the head and so on and so forth. We'll go into that more in another video. But this is a basic, simple combination that's very effective. Also, just another tip, when you're sparring or when you're in a fight, when your opponent's back is to the ropes, as soon as their back leg touches the ropes, you throw it up there, they're gonna be pinned there for a second, and it's usually a good way to keep them there and kind of control the action. Hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Online course is out now. Link is in the description. Go check that out. Till the next time, we out of here. Ow.